Hey, good evening, everybody. It is June 1st, first day of the month. This is the recap for my trades of building a small account for TrickTrades chat room and screen share. I took a couple trades today. The first one was MBOT out of the gates. It was gapping down. Here, let me excuse me. Yeah, it was gapping down, which was perfect for what I was looking for, because I was looking to get short into as long as it didn't break pre-market highs. I got short and got stopped out for a loss. Kind of frustrating. This one, there's an offering coming. I really found that my timing was off today. I'm sick as a dog, and I know that's not an excuse because I have the ability to control everything. That I can in trading. I'm kind of at the wheel, and I really shouldn't have traded today. So that was kind of a mistake. And then I tried one more time up in here as it was failing. And then right in here, they pumped the stock back up because they are trying to get the best price for their offering. They're going to be releasing about 1 million and some shares into the market. So you could tell because these were big volume bars. They were just instantaneous buys, and no one was just marketing in at how many shares are in there. Almost 100,000 shares. There's some big blocks going through here and just driving the stock up. So that was a fail today. Took another trade on RYAM. And this one's kind of funny. This one makes me laugh more than anything. Let me get rid of these lines here. So if you look here, if I can get it all, not really. I'll just get rid of that. So this was yesterday. Now look at that. Stare at that for a quick second. Okay, burned in. Now look at this. They did almost the exact same fucking thing. So, especially right there, and then right there. If you look at that, it's almost the exact same day repeated. So, got stopped out of that. I mean, the theory was right. It didn't work out. And I mean, on the daily, we did get the pullback, but just got stopped out. My timing was definitely off on that one as well. And then on my last trade was ZOES, doing a gap fill, right? So I got long at 14.50, and it was actually a really nice little trade here. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, really nice little trade here. Let me. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to find it. Why doesn't that look right to me? One sec. Sorry, guys. Let me check something here. Yeah, because I was catching those volume bars. It had to have been over here. Oh, there it was. Yeah, it was. No, that wasn't. I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm mumbling here. I can't seem to find where exactly I entered. It doesn't really look familiar. It had to have been in this area. Yeah, I'm sorry. It is. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, it is right in here because I kept catching this run up in here. And then I ended up taking profits and just getting out. I took some pieces off along the way, so that was a nice trade. So today wasn't bad, but it wasn't the greatest. MBOT kind of, I don't want to say it took me for a ride, but it kind of did, and I think it took a lot of people off guard today. That seems to be the sentiment with MBOT. I don't think anyone was really expecting a secondary move, especially with a offering looming. But that's what they do. You know, they kind of pump the stock up at all costs. You could tell it was heavily manipulated. So once that was kind of starting, they were starting to show their cards. I just left it alone. I mean, it would have been nice to get short into here, and I was looking for a second quick, because a second quick little double top like that is that's what I look to get short into. And I was just looking at it, and then I turned my attention over to chat. Someone was asking me a question, and then boom, it dropped, and I was fuck. You know, it's kind of frustrating. That's something I'm still trying to deal with, is some of the distractions and everything else. And it's not the chat room's fault or anything like that. It's my fault. I should just be laser focused. But it is what it is, right? So uh, tomorrow's another day. The market's still really choppy, even though it had a great day. Like the SPY was absolutely ripping today. So this should bring in some momentum, although tomorrow is Friday. That's okay. I'm working on my watch list as we speak. So tomorrow's another day. It should be a really good day. And I look forward to seeing everyone in TrickTrades chat and screen share. As always, I'll post the links via Twitter first thing in the morning. And I want to thank everyone for coming out. We have 240 plus members right now, so it's just fucking incredible. It's just amazing. So thanks everyone for your time this evening, and I will see you in the AM. Thanks, guys.